Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to present a case study in psychology. First, clearly define the purpose and scope of your case study. This sets the stage for your audience and helps them understand the focus of your research. Next, provide essential background information about your subject, including relevant history and demographics. Finally, describe the methods you use to collect data, ensuring transparency and replaceability in your presentation. When structuring your presentation, organize your findings logically using clear headings and subheadings. This improves readability and helps your audience follow your narrative. Discuss the theoretical framework that guides your analysis, connecting your observations to established psychological concepts. Remember to present your data effectively, utilizing appropriate visual aids like charts or graphs to illustrate key points and make complex information more accessible. In the analysis and discussion section, thoroughly analyze your collected data in relation to your initial research questions. Interpret what your findings mean within the broader context of psychology. Discuss the practical and theoretical implications of your results, highlighting their significance. It's also crucial to acknowledge any limitations of your case study and suggest avenues for future research, demonstrating a comprehensive understanding of your work. To conclude your case study presentation, summarize your key findings and reiterate their significance. This reinforces the main takeaways for your audience. Offer practical recommendations or insights derived from your research, showing the real-world applicability of your work. Remember, staying focused during presentations is key, and staying hydrated helps. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you at your best. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.